Oh, hello everyone. We are starting the Unit 12. Okay, what is the topic of the Unit 12, which is what? Earth and Beyond. Okay, it is about the space exploration. And the people even try to find out what is if there is any life forms in universe. Okay, and many astronomers and scientists believe that there must be what is living things like us because space is so huge. Okay, and here, what is that? The caption: a view of the moon and Earth's atmosphere as seen from the International Space Station. So you can see the moon and Earth and beyond. All right, and let's move. Okay, here. Let's just see the caption. Jupiter and Saturn may be large relative, means like a family members to our home planet, which is Earth, but they are small compared to CT, what is it? CHAB, one of the 3,900 plus exoplanets and planets circling stars outside our own solar system that astronomers have to have was so far discovered. So are you interested in universe? Universe and space? Okay, here we go. Okay, this one is better. And it's my personal, what is it, thought? You are in, how old are you? 12 or 13? And I think when you are, when you become my age in the future, maybe in 50, 40 or 50 years, 40 years later, when you are adult, and then I think you will travel to, space. Definitely, I think. I think. All right.
Maybe
And
not.
maybe not, or maybe. But you know that our technology, is getting developed so fast. So I think you're going to live in a totally different life and world from from now, I think. All right. Here go. Okay, what is it? This one. Okay, why don't you draw a big circle around the title? Okay, here, planet. Okay, not this color. Planet hunters. Who are the planet hunters? Scientists. And they are what? Astronomers, right? And then why are they called hunters? They try to discover more planets and stars and things, objects in space. All right, here, what is the title? Okay, where can I write the title? Okay, here. Okay, here, title. Title gives the big clue for the what? Main idea. Okay? And the planet hunters, which are astronomers, are have been have tried to discover new planets in space. So that is could be a main idea. And here always the same thing. Whenever you read nonfiction, the passage ask questions 5Ws 1H. All right. And here, who astronomers, what do? They try to hunt, and find the planets in space. Okay. When? From the past and now until now. And what is it? Why? Because we are curious, right? And how they are using the satellites and telescopes and other technology. All right. And here, let's read on. First one. Okay, paragraph A. It took humans, thousands of years to explore our own planet. explore our planet. What is our own planet? Earth. And centuries. What are the centuries? You know that. Cent means, what does it mean, cent?
Uh,
Prefix. What does it mean, cent? You don't know?
many,
Oh, what do you say?
many,
Many? Good try. It's 100. Centimeters, centipede, and centuries. Cent is related to 100. So centuries means 1 century means 100 years. So centuries means many hundreds years. Okay, does it make sense?
yeah,
Yeah, it means for a long time, centuries. And here, what did what is it? Centuries to comprehend. What does it mean comprehend? Reading comprehension. What does it mean comprehend?
to um, answer it, solve it.
Good try. Comprehend means, okay, here you have a glossary. You don't have that
Oh,
one?
oh
Comprehend
yeah,
means understand. Write it. Understand. Okay, our neighboring planets. What does it mean neighboring? Neighbor and neighboring planets. Flynn and Rio, no matter what it is, you have to understand every single word. Okay? And Rio, you are coming to Korea, and then I'm going to really help you to improve your English. Flynn and Jefferson.
hmm?
And you have to check out all the kind of all single word. All right? And this is a great time for you to do that way because now you're in elementary school. When you go to middle school or high school, you have more things to study. So you know that even though you are busy, still busy now, so it is a kind of a great time for you to check out every single word now. What does it mean neighboring? Neighbor. You know neighbor?
They who live next by you.
Yeah, so neighboring means next by you. So neighboring means related. What is it? What does it mean neighboring?
Uh, being friendly with the person who lives
Near.
next to you.
Yeah, near or next to. Okay, near planets. Does it make sense? Okay. And now nowadays. What does it mean nowadays? Nowadays means these days. Okay, today, though. Though means however. Okay, though means however, but. Okay, though means what is it? However. New words are being discovered every week. It's very interesting. New words are being discovered every week. Wow.
Every week.
Yeah, every week. It's interesting, right?
Yeah.
Every is a week. So what is this paragraph? Mm, what is it? So what is this paragraph about? What is it about? It means what is it? Exploring. What is it about? Exploring what?
New words.
Excellent. Exploring new words means exploring. What are the new words? What are
Uh,
the words? What is that in this paragraph here? Let's narrow down the title to planet. Okay, what is it about here? Exploring what? Planets. Okay, it means what are they? It means new worlds. Write it. Okay, done?
Yeah.
Oh, what is a to date? What is a to date? To date means what is it? What does it mean to date? Until what is it? Now. Write it. Until now. Okay, not here. It means until now. Astronomers. Who are the astronomers? You know the last time, I think, I don't know your class, we taught, the other class, we did the paleontologist, scientists who study fossils. But here, astronomers, who are the astronomers? Astronomers are the what scientists, what is it, who study stars and planets, right? So here is the, what is a clue? What is the context clue for the astronomers? And have identified a person who identifies the, what is the exoplanets here. These are, what is the context clues for the astronomers here. Astronomers are scientists who identifies, or what is astronomers are scientists, right? Who study, who study what? Stars and planets. Okay, astronomers have identified. What does mean identified here? ID.
You can find it.
You
You
know,
know
and
it.
good, and identify it. It means what is it? Write it. Recognized. What is it? Identified and recognized.
Recognized.
Or it means write it. Recognized. It means what is it? Discovered. More than 3,900 exoplanets. What does it mean, EX, exo? Meaning
Uh,
of EX, exit, explorer. EX means, in Latin words, EX means, what is it? Out. So exoplanets, what are the exoplanets? So planets outside our solar system. Okay, right? You know that we have a clue here. So what are they? Planets are, what is the planets? What planets? Outside the solar system. Okay, I'm going to write only this mean system here. And exoplanets, okay, here, worlds orbiting stars other than the sun. Okay, here again, this is a context clue. There are so many lines. So exoplanets, so the explanation is followed right behind it. Here, what are the exoplanets? Worlds orbiting stars other than the sun. Other than the sun means outside the solar system. Does it make sense? So you know that, okay, everybody, remember, even though you do not know about this, what is it, the contents, you know that the text, the passages explains the things for the terms. When you read carefully, you can find the meanings and then you can comprehend, you can learn, all right? You can build your knowledge. And here, exoplanets. So you learned the exoplanets now. What are they? Worlds. Orbiting means circling stars. other than the sun. They are called exoplanets. There is a hot Saturn. What is one example of what? One example of what? Exoskeleton, exoplanet is, what is that? What is a Saturn 260. Exosaturn. It means, what is that? Okay, what is this? 260 light years from Earth. It means outside the solar system from Earth and orbits. What does it mean, orbits? Circles.
Planets, not
Yeah, orbits. What does it mean, orbits? Means circles.
circles.
It's a parent star. So rapidly means so fast. That a year there lasts less than 3 days. You know that it orbits so fast. So what is that? Another star? What is that? It means what? Last what? Less than 3 days. Wow, so fast. Circling means another star. What is the circling synonym? Find the circling. What is that?
Orbits,
Excellent. Orbiting means different color. Okay, what is the circling means? Orbit, orbiting. Another star, 150 light years out, is a hot Jupiter. Another example is, what is that? Jupiter, hot Jupiter. Whose upper atmosphere? What is the atmosphere? Means sphere means like a ball. Hemisphere and sphere. Atmosphere means layers of what? Layer of gases. What is a sphere? Atmosphere? You know that what is the air around the planet is being blown away by the stars' solar winds. Astronomers, scientists have also found. What is a found synonym? What is that? Is
discovered,
another one is what is it? Identified.
find.
5 planets orbiting, circling a pulsar. What is a pulsar? Do not worry. Here, what is a pulsar? Here. The remains of one of the mighty stars shrunk into an atomic size, city-size nucleus that spins. Okay, this is the what? Clue for the pulsar here. Okay. Flynn, you know, in your reading sheet, you read, what is it? Selection, which is called the universe. I'd like you to do the close reading with that one. Please, not only this one. You know, when you read, you know that the universe is 6.1, and this one is a kind, what is it, related. Okay? And what is a pulsar is, what is that? Pulsar is a type of neutron star. It is a, what is it? Neutron star.
Star.
Yeah. What color should I use? This is a, what is it called? Neutron. Neutron star. So it means remains of a once mighty star. It was a very strong big star. Shrunk. What is a shrunk? It got
It
small.
got smaller.
Yeah. And it got, what is it? Compressed, smaller. What is it? Shrunk means compressed into an atomic. What is atomic? It's related to, what is it? Related to what? Atom. Atom means like tiny, tiny things. Atomic city size, nucleus. What is a nucleus?
It's like heck.
Very good. It's like a core that spins. What does it mean spins here? It means rotates. Yeah, it rotates, spins like a top. So what is it called? What is it? This is a pulsar.
Mm,
Yeah. And 5 planets orbiting the pulsar. All right. And here, others means other what? Planets. So here, what is it? They also found the planets. It's all about what is it, everybody? It is about planets. The title. What is it about? Planets. And others means other planets have been thrown out of their systems to become floaters. Oh, they became, what is it? Floaters.
okay.
Interesting. And that, what is the floaters? You know that the planets, they are wandering in the eternal darkness. Where is the eternal darkness? What does mean eternal?
Uh, mm,
What is eternal? Forever.
okay.
What is the darkness here?
Darkness.
In this context, what is the darkness?
Mm,
What is that?
it
Space.
gets darker.
Space. Okay? Universe.
Okay.
Okay, here go Rio. You know that I'm pretty excited to see you in Korea. I really like you to learn a lot. And
Yeah.
then you know that who? Flynn have done it, and the Flynn is going to be a good mate. So maybe study mate or playmate. And Jefferson, I learned that you are busy doing what? Math. But you know that I'm going to have you listen to the what? The selection in the reading sheet, which is the universe. Okay? And there are a lot of the what is it, the things, objects in space. You're going to what is it, read about the pulsar and then other planets, exoskeleton, exo what? Planets and those things. Okay? So we did done the what is the paragraph B. What is this paragraph? What is B about? Main idea. Astronomers have what? Discovered what? A lot of exoskeletons. That is the main thing. So what is that? And here, what is this paragraph about? An interesting thing is there are some pulsar and then there are some planets orbiting the pulsar and there are some planets that are thrown out of the system. So they are called floaters, means they are what is wandering. Okay, in eternal, forever space, darkness. It's very interesting. And here, so interesting, I said interesting, but we can use the well, another, which one? Another what? Adjective. What is going to be that? And it is very what? I can give the word is so we can say unusual or weird or strange. Strange what? And it is in space, so we can say distant. Distant what? What are they? Think about the topic, I mean the title. What is the title this passage about? Planets. So, in this paragraph, what planets? Exoplanets. So this one is, so this paragraph tells us about what? Exo,
Planet.
exo what? Planets. Now you understand? They are space
Yes.
different and then they are very far away. So how they are different? They are, what is it, orbiting what? Pulsar, or they are floaters, right? And they are very, very big. Okay, which one is a hot Saturn? Well, not big, I don't know. It's they anyway, very, very far away. Okay, and they are speeding very, very fast. Okay, so only 3 days, and what is a hot Jupiter? And blown. and whose upper atmosphere is being blown away. No atmosphere by the solar or stars solar winds. So very interesting. What is it? Exoplanets. Okay. Some other five planets, and there are interesting exoplanets. Okay, now you got it. I'm going to erase it all. Boom. Okay, what about paragraph C? Okay, here, among all these, what are these? Say it again. What are these? What are these? What are we
Is
talking about?
space,
You
planet.
try. No, 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 no. Title. What are these?
Oh,
Among these, what are these?
mm, uh,
Exo what? What are these?
exoplanet,
Exoplanets. Okay, what are these?
exoplanet,
Among all exoplanets, astronomers are eager to find. What does it mean, eager to find? Eager to find a hint, a clue of the familiar. Well, of planet that resemble Earth. Okay, here. Okay, astronomers are scientists are eager. What does it mean, eager here? What does it mean, eager? So easy. And
angry,
angry? No, it means eager means what is that? They are very eager means willing. And they are very what? Excited. Okay, to find. To find a hint. What is a hint? Clue of the familiar. What is that? What is the key point here? Planets that resemble Earth. That is the point. Okay? So what is this mean resemble?
get again,
What does it mean resemble? No,
get together,
it means what does it mean resemble? It means you resemble your parents. What is a resemble? It means look, what is it? Look like. It means similar. Okay, familiar. Similar or familiar here. All right? And that is, they are looking for planets that orbit their stars at just the right distance. Why? Why is it a right distance? Not too hot, not too cold. So that's why we can live. Living things. Humans and many living things can live on Earth. Earth has many living things. Why? Earth is not too close to the sun, not too far away from the sun. All right? And the right distance. Neither too hot nor too cold. Okay. Not hot, not cold. And just to support, to help life. What is the point? What is the point? Support life. Life. However, but we have not yet found planets that are quite like. What is a quite like? It means, what is a, how can I say? Quite like means, what does it mean?
it looks alike,
Very good. Excellent. Quite like means, what is that? Look
looks
like.
alike,
What is that?
well,
Resemble. Like our own. What is it? Earth. To see a planet as small and dim as ours, okay, amid the glare of its star is like trying to see. Okay, we will see. And to see a planet as small and dim. What does it mean, dim?
Uh,
Rio, Flynn, you two try to answer me. What does it mean, dim? You don't know? It means, write it, not bright. What does it mean, amid? Mid. Amid means, what is a amid? Means in the middle of. Write it. In the middle of. The glare. What is a glare?
light.
Very good. Glare is, what is a glare? Is a brightness, light. Of its star is like trying to see. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to move. Okay, trying to see a firefly. It is like, okay, where is it? The star is like. Where is that? Here, like means like a comparing. Is like. It means, what is it? It
It
is
looks a lot like.
comparing. So you know that the author compares this to something that we know. So this, what is it called? Simile. Okay, so we can understand easily. All right, and in Korean, I'm going to write it here. Okay, it is a kind of a figurative language that the authors or we use. All right, it is like something. So we don't know A, but you know that the author, what is explain it, comparing to something. So what is it like? To see a planet as a small and dim as what is Earth. Okay, amid the glare of its star is a sun. It's like trying to see what?
Uh, trying
A
to see.
firefly in a what? In a firefly in a fireworks display. It means easy or not easy. Easy or not easy. Can you see the fireworks? Means there are many, many, what is it? Sparks, lights. But there is a firefly, tiny insect. So do you think you can see a tiny fireflies in the fireworks? Is
No.
it easy or not easy? Not easy. Okay, that is the point. Yet, but by pushing technology to its limits, what is a technology?
Science skill.
Yeah, very, very good. Scientific knowledge, technology. To its push to its limits. What does it mean? Push to its limits means what is the edges? So using the technology, astronomers are rapidly, fast approaching. You know, rapidly means fast. Approaching means what? What is approaching here?
Getting in.
Getting closer, right? Getting closer the day, approaching the day when they can find another. What is the point? What is the point? Another Earth. All right. So you know that scientists they can find another Earth. Why? How? Using what? Technology.
Technology.
All right. Now you can understand.
Yes.
Okay, so this one, what is the paragraph C? What is the paragraph C about? Think. What is it about? It means,
Uh,
what is it? They are trying to find what? Another? What is it? Another what? Earth. Now you got it? So what is it? This one is going to be searching. Searching for what? What I said. Another what?
Earth.
Yeah, Earth. It means another planet like Earth with life. Does it make sense? Okay,
Yes.
good. I hope you know that this reading helps you to understand the passage. Okay, everybody, are you ready to move?
Yes.
Okay, here, let's move to the paragraph D. In search of other Earths. That is another big clue for the main idea. Already, here, search of other, what is it? Earths means planets in what? Planets like Earth. And D, the most direct approach. What is a direct? Most direct approach. What is a direct? Straight,
Right in.
straightforward. Rio, clean. You said you don't have a book, but you know that, Rio, please write everything down.
Yes.
Okay, dokie. And the most direct approach, and then Rio and here, Jefferson,
Mm-hmm.
please read this passage aloud and then record it. And Flynn is doing it. He's recording every single passage. Rio, when you come to A1, and then you will do it. I'm going to have you read aloud and then record it. Okay? And the most direct approach to what is approach here? It means method or way to finding, discovering a planet like on Earth is to take a picture of it. So what is the one way they can, what is approach? What is approach?
You get in.
The way, direct way. How? Okay, this is what is a way or method. Okay, is what is the way to what is it? Finding a planet, discovering a planet. What is it? Taking a picture of it. Taking what is a picture? Okay, so how do astronomers find the new planets? They take pictures with a what? Telescope. You know the meaning of a tele? What does it mean, tele?
It shows.
Okay, Flynn, what does it mean, tele? Television, telephone, telescope. What is a tele? Tele means far. Scope, what does it mean, scope? Scope means see. It's an instrument that you use to see something far away. That is a telescope. All right? So television, telephone, telepathy, and a telegram. Tele means far. All right? And next, astronomers, scientists have detected. What does it mean, detected?
You
Synonym.
find it.
Good. Find it and two more synonyms. What does it mean, detected here? Found and more. Detected means found and identified and discovered. Now you understand? Synonym
Yes.
here, identified. Or what is the one more? Discovered. What is that? Discovered. Found. More than half of the confirmed, more than half. Astronomers have what? Detected, found more than half of the confirmed. What does it mean, confirmed? It means proven. Exoplanets this way. What is this way? What is this way? This what? Approach. What is that approach? Taking pictures. Okay? Half of them. And all of them are big and bright. All of them. What are them? What are they? Here, them. All of them means planets. Exoplanets. All of them, all of the exoplanets are big and bright and conveniently far away, distant, strange and distant planets, far away. And what is conveniently? What does it mean conveniently?
Keep doing it.
Convenient, conveniently, convenience store, conveniently far away from their stars. What is conveniently means? What is suitably? Okay, and they are suitably far away from their stars. So what is this paragraph about? D. Say, what is that? So what is this paragraph about? How do astronomers find and discover and detect what? Detect what? Exoplanets. So what is this paragraph about? Approach. It means I said why. Oh no, I mean way, method. It means what is this? It means how. Okay? So what is this paragraph then? This is what? It says direct way to find a planet. What is that? What is a direct? What is a direct way to what?
Approach.
Discovering a planet. Discovering what?
A planet.
Way, what is it? To discover, oh, what is it? To discovering what? Planets. What is this? Taking? What is it? Taking what? Pictures. Okay, write it. Direct method, direct way to what? Discovering planets, exoplanets. Means taking pictures with what? Telescope. All right, they are conveniently means suitably far away from their stars. And now E, a more effective way. What is a way again? What is the synonym of a way? Way is, what is that? What is that? Approach. Okay, more effective approach, more effective way, more effective method to detect. Once again, what does it mean detect?
To find.
Very good. Detect here, find and discovered or identify. An exoplanet, though, is, however, is to use a method. Here again, method. What is another way known as, what is a Doppler techniques? What is this paragraph about? Doppler techniques. So you know that I do not know what the Doppler technique is. Technique is a kind of a skill. All right. What is a Doppler technique? What is it? Let's find it out. And this involves, what does it mean involves?
To
It
get in.
means includes, has. Okay, analyzing. What is analyzing?
To clean it.
Analyzing means, good try by, analyzing means examining. It means studying very closely. Investigating starlight. They examining starlight for evidence. What is evidence? Proof.
Blue.
Proof. That the sun's movement is affected by the gravitational pull of a planet. It is related to, what is it? Gravitational pull of a planet. Gravitational. You know, gravity, the force that pulls the things, each other. And what is affected? What is affected here? It means influenced. Okay, so Doppler technique, Doppler scale is related to what? It is related to what? Gravitational pull of a planet. And also, what is it? Stars movement. The stars movements are, if affected, all right, by the gravitational pull of a planet. And in recent years, what does it mean recent years? Means current, not long ago. What is a recent, everybody? Write it, current. Astronomers have refined. What does it mean refined? The techniques. What is a re means,
Again.
yeah, fine, make it better again. So what does it mean refined here?
Find it again.
No, it is not find, refine. It means
To
what is
define.
improved. Make it fine means good. Again, it means what is this? Improved. Refined. Improve the technique, the skill. How? They can now tell, what is it? They can tell, they can know, they can identify, or they know when a planet is pulling its a star. Pulling its a star means, what does it mean pulling its a star? It means gravitational pull. By only 1 meter, by 1 meter a second. Okay, by only 1 meter. Do you know 1 meter? 1 meter,
Yes.
yeah, 1 meter a second. About human walking speed. So that is enough to detect, enough to discover. Detect means, what is a detect?
To find.
Discover. A giant planet. What is a giant planet? That is a exo what planet? In a big orbit, or a small planet if it is close to its star. So what is another way astronomers can detect, find, or discover the exoplanet? What is another way? Doppler techniques. So what is the Doppler techniques? Analyzing. Analyzing starlight. Analyzing starlight, what is it? For evidence that the star's movement is affected by the gravitational pull. All right? So they are studying. So what is it? This one, analyzing what? Starlights. And then they can find out what? Exoplanet. What is the way called? It is called Doppler techniques. All right? And here, so what is this paragraph about? What is it about? Doppler techniques. Okay. Are you done? Okay, let's move to the paragraph F. And here, what is it? Another approach. What is another approach? What is the meaning of approach? We've done it many
To get close.
Approach means way. Approach means method. Another method is to watch a star. Watch a star for a slight dip. You know that the star has a slight dip. What is a dip here? Slight dip. Dip. What is a dip? Can you guess the meaning of a dip? What is a slight dip? It means, what is it? Drop. In its brightness, light. And this occurs, what does it mean occurs here? This happens. You know, the slight drop in its brightness, and it occurs and it happens when? When on orbiting planet, the exoplanet is circling, passes in front of the star. Here is a star, and the exoplanet is orbiting, but it comes in front of the star, and then what happens? And blocks part of its light. Okay, blocks. It means like a shadow. And the blocks, what is it? Blocks part of the light. So it means it is like a shadow. And most a tenth of what is it? It means a tenth means 1/10. It means of all the planetary systems are oriented. What is it? A tenth of all planetary systems are oriented so that these mini eclipse, what is eclipse here? It means blocking, and then they make something that is the dip in this context.
Okay.
So what does it mean? Oriented here. What is oriented here? It means positioned. Do you know eclipse? Here is the, what is it, sun and moon, and here, what is the earth? And then when they in a kind of a straight line, and then the moon blocks the light of the sun. Okay? And then the sunlight. So we have some kind of what is a darkness that is called eclipse. All right? What is eclipse? You have it at the bottom. What is eclipse? Everybody, what is eclipse? Means a small covering. Okay, so small covering happenings. So what is a eclipse means? Kind of a small covering. So what is that called? What is it? Has its own, what is a term? It is called transits. What are the transits means? What is that? What is a transit? Means crossing. And then they are crossing and it blocks. All right. And that is a transit means, right, crossings, passings, or passings. Okay. And the eclipse are visible. What is a visible? What does it mean visible?
You can see it.
Very good. Okay. Visible means, what is a visible? Means can be able to be seen. From Earth. You know that, from Earth, the astronomers can see that eclipse, can see that crossing. can see the dip, can see the, what is it, transits, okay? Transits and eclipse and dips they are all, what is the same? What is the concepts here? Same things. So astronomers, scientists have to monitor. What is a monitor here? Very easy. What does it mean monitor? It means watch. It means, what is it? Observe a lot of stars. They have to watch. They have to monitor a lot of stars to catch just a few, what is it? Transits. What is the transits? Say it again. What are the transits?
Uh, transist
Eclipse.
lips.
Eclipse means blocking. All right, blocking the light. Okay, now that is called a dip. All right, and here, so, okay, what is this paragraph about? Everybody, you know that in search of other Earths means other planets like Earth, you know, the astronomers use different methods. The first one is, what is it? Taking pictures, right? And second one is Doppler techniques, means analyzing starlights. Okay, and third one is, what is the third one? What is it? The way. Watching, what is it? Planets, what is it? Transit method. All right, what is it? Watching planets cross stars. So watching, what is the watching, everybody?
Monitoring
Observing.
it.
Monitoring. Which one do you want to write it? Monitoring is going to be easier.
Yes.
And monitoring, they monitoring what? Planets. Monitoring planets, what is it? Cross stars. Okay, what is it called? What is it called? Transit. Transit, what is it called? The method, way. Okay, here again. There are three methods. The first one is taking pictures. The second one is, what is the second one? Doppler techniques. And then third one is monitoring planets across stars. That is called transit method. All right? Astronomers use these three things. Did you write everything down? I'm going to
Yes.
erase it all. Boom. And here are some what? Vocabulary words. Here, go. If a planet orbits, what does it mean orbits?
It's circling.
Good. It means the circles or goes around. Circles or goes around. What about nucleus? You said core things, right? It means, what is a core? What is a core? It means the center part of an atom or cell that is called core and nucleus. And next, eclipse occurs. What does it mean occurs? Happens. Eclipse happens when the light from an object in the sky cannot be seen. Not be seen. Why? Another object, another thing has come between it and then what is it? The observers. All right, it blocks. All right, that is eclipse. What is it called? Eclipse again? It means kind of a small covering. What is it? It is called what? Small, what is it? Covering. Small covering events. Write it. Okay, solar eclipse and then lunar eclipse. All right. Okay, so now it is already 10:06, so it is past the 10. So we'd better stop recording the part A here. So now at least even though you did not read the whole passage, but now you know what it is about. Okay?
Yeah.
Then you'd better leave. And then after this, I'm going to record the part B and then I'm going to upload in YouTube. You can see it. All right? Okay. I hope this this lesson helps you to understand the passage about and also the what is it? Exoplanets in space. All right? Okay, searching. Searching what is it for exoplanets in space. All right. Okay, everybody say thank you and bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.